To access the Gale Cengage resource from the library, I'm going to show you how to do that. You need to go to the Saginaw homepage, and then from there, you're going to click on the Students tab over here on the right side. We're going to scroll down to Library, and then we're going to look for Databases and Resources. And then we are going to scroll down until we see this one right here, Gale Cengage. Whenever you go to this one, it's going to bring you a screen and allow you to log in. Or actually, it'll bring you to this one first, and then we want to go look for our articles that we're going to be researching. So I'm going to click this first one right here. For the password, it's going to be all one word, lowercase Saginaw, so Saginaw. And then when I hit enter, that's going to take me into the database. And what this is a collection of different articles. And you've got access to, we're talking hundreds of thousands of different academic articles that can help you find a topic. If I want to find nuclear energy articles, what I can do up here in the search bar is type in nuclear energy, and then we can start to see the different resources that are going to come back to us. And it's going to search all through, and you can see here it's provided 40,000 plus articles for you to look through. So then you can do things like narrow it down. So if we want to filter this out, we can actually go to document type, and we can select what type of article we're looking for, or what type of resource we want. So here I've selected article, and then we can apply that. And then it really just narrows it down. If we want to search this even more specific, we can look for different things. Like if I say search within, if I want to find the benefits of nuclear energy, I can type that word. And you can see here, it's just reducing your number of articles, and you can actually start to find different resources within that. But play around with the search bar and try and figure out what you're looking for, and then you can use these resources for your project. One last thing I forgot to show you is once you're on the article that you choose to use, up here at the top is a button that will actually give you the citation already for you. So if you click that button right here at the top where it says cite, and it has the little quotation marks, once you click that button, you'll actually have the MLA citation already created for you, and then you can just copy and paste that into your article for submission whenever you do your citations page.